might want to add Google Maps location to your Instagram bio to ensure potential customers and app to know where you are located if they are interested in visiting your place later, but you don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to add Google Maps location to your Instagram bio. For that, make sure to open up the Google Map just like this. So I'm going to choose one of the eatery restaurant. That's obviously that doesn't belong to me, but if you're going to choose this, then you slide onto this option here, that's direction start, call shave, and you will see an option of share here. Tap on share option. As you do it, you will get an option of copy to clipboard on the bottom left corner. Tap on copy to clipboard. As you do it, just remove it and go to your Instagram profile. You're into the first page section of your own Instagram account. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. As you do it, you will get an option of edit profile at the side of the share profile on the left corner. So tap on edit profile here. You will get an option of add link just below your bio. Tap on add link. Now tap on add external link here, and then tap on URL and paste that particular Google Map location just like this. So before you paste it all, you can just tap on the URL. It's no need to just even paste everything. So I'm going to remove it and just only paste the perfect location here. And then I'm going to add the title, that what is the location actually of, that's a restaurant. After you do this, tap on the stick option in the top right corner. And so here, now you can go back and watch on your profile easily that the Google Map location has been added successfully. So this is how you do it. This is how you add Google Maps location to your Instagram bio. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then.